Okay, we have a Mori horizontal machining center, model NH4000DCG. Machine was new in 12 of 2006. Machine has a Mori MSX501 Roman numeral 3 CNC control with Fanuc drives and motors. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a 15.7 by 15.7 or 400 millimeter pallet. That's your B axis, which is a full B, full fourth. You have 24.8 inches in the Z, 22 in the Y, and 22 in the X. That's your X. All your axes are quiet. We're going to run the spindle. That's 4,000 RPM. Goes up to 14,000 RPM. Again, you have 14,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40, cooling through spindle, 60 ATC. That's 8,000 RPM. And there you go at 10. All right. Do a pallet change. Okay. Tool change. Again. All right. See here, nice and clean. Machine's original paint. Oh, serial number of the machine. NH401GA1591. Thank you.